Hello shoppers, welcome back to the channel. Want to buy from DHgate and pay later using Klarna. So in this quick guide I will show you how to pay with Klarna on DHgate and step by step let's get into it. First go to the dhgate.com websites. Here you can see on my screens and log into your account, then browse and add the products you want to your cart. Here you can see this all, there are a lot of products are here. Now scroll down. Once you are ready, click checkout. I have choose this one and fill in your shipping address carefully, name, number, full address and postal code, then click continue to payment. Here you can see, here you have to fill out all the informations. Now on the payment page, look for kernel in the list of available payment options. Select it. If may say pay later with kernel or split payments by kernel, click continue or place order. Then you will now be redirect to kernel secure sites, and here login or create a kernel account. Choose how you want to pay later at 30 days and pay in 4 installments or full payment with kernels. So confirm your method and click pay now. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.